Hello, and welcome to the second workshop for arranging hymn tunes for beginner piano with APA. I'm Dr. Cheryl, and I'd like to share additional information about arranging for beginning piano. First, consider what the text of the hymn is saying. Does it tell a story? Does it suggest a time, a place, or a condition? Consider how the text can help you tell the story through music. The narrative of the American spiritual wayfaring stranger tells the story of an endless journey. One way to capture this musically is to utilize a walking bass ostinato pattern to simulate the endless journey as described in the text of the spiritual. What is the overall mood of the hymn? Is it joyful? Is it sorrowful? So how can we write music to create emotion? Here are a few ideas. First, use arpeggios to create interesting piano accompaniments, establish the intro intonation center, and also the intro-outro material. Also consider connecting the dots with good voice leading. This will provide fluid motion to create the emotion you wish to express. Here are two public domain hymns as examples. I'll play the first line of For the Beauty of the Earth and of O Sacred Head Now Wounded to illustrate how ascending and descending lines can create emotion. Here's a quick review of the ideas presented today. First, look at the text of the hymn. This can help you create a musical landscape that is appropriate for the narrative. Consider what the general mood of the piece is. Do you want to enhance it or take it in a new direction? Keeping these questions in mind will guide your musical decision-making when creating piano solo hymn tune arrangements. Thank you for viewing the SAIT VA presentation.